we have a QFX radio. It is a portable AM/FM radio. It's a AM/FM radio r200. DC 5-volt input. You got on, off, or off AM/FM tuning. Volume on the side with a headphone jack. The thing I find neat about this radio is underneath here, where you would put the batteries, there's no batteries. It actually has a rechargeable battery built in. There's the model and all that fun stuff. Charge 5-volt 1 amp, and that's what it is. It's a rechargeable radio. It's got fairly decent antenna. And AM reception. I've got one of those plugs, smart plugs, and all you're going to hear is
and save $10. That's 239-734-3505. Listen online or on your smartphone with iHeartRadio. Get the free app now at WLAC.com.
Along with the sunshine.
But QFX radio. Like I said, it's USB, and it's not the normal tiny USB. It's the bigger USB one. It's not the little, like that. See it. Like that on the cell phone. It's the bigger one. I don't know what they call that, USB mini, I think, or something like that. It's the bigger one, but yeah, pretty decent reception. The link to where you can get this will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.